where the words are ambiguous or uncertain, when the language of the instrument omits. There are rules in constructing those instruments. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of them. Una pag ang sampleable ay na-express sa salita, pati sa numero denoted by the words. But if the words are ambiguous, then their reference may be had to the figures to fix the amount. Pag ang instrumento for payment for interest, at ang date ay hindi specified, at kung ang date ng instrument ay hindi nakalagay, mag-base tayo kung kailan ang issuance date, and now we're done. So 1, 2, and 3, proceed tayo sa 4, 5, 6, 7. We put it in a song to make it clear for you to memorize it easily. But there's conflict about printed and handwritten. Nalilito kung anong gagamitin. According to the author Fidelito Soriano, ang printed instrument ang gamitin mo. Number 5 is so ambiguous, dahil dito ang sabi ay promise to pay. Pero bakit may drawing? Huwag na kayong malilito, dahil at this point na instrument is treated either a bill or note. If the person assigned is unclear of capacity, he is believed to be an endorser, where the promissory note is signed by term or person then liable. Johnny and Seth, Beverly, and now we're done. So 1, 2, and 3, tapos na rin ang 4, 5, 6, 7. We put it in a song to make it clear for you to memorize it easily.